Do you want to know how you can change your currency on 1xBet? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your currency on 1xBet. Go ahead and open 1xBet.com on your browser and then open your account or log into your account. Then hover around My Account, which is over here, and click on Account Settings. After you click on Account Settings, this page will load up. On the left hand side, you can see that you are now connected to the account settings. Scroll a bit down and you can see your wallets over here, and your current currency is selected as Euro. So you can go ahead and select it as your wish. So let's go ahead and select our currency from here and click Add. You can see that account in new currency created successfully. Tap OK, and you can see that you have now selected this currency as your main, and you can also add other currencies as well. So let's go ahead and add dollar over here. Go ahead and click Add, and you can see account in new currency created successfully. This means that your currency has been changed, and you can also delete it by clicking on this cross button. Click OK again, and you can see you have now deleted the currency, and the currency is currently set to the country you are in. So guys, this is how you change your currency on 1xBet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.